look at the stitch diagram for the hexagons joined point to point, or corner to corner, however you want to call it, you can see that we'll be joining 2 to 1 at only one point. And you'll recognize that that's a corner join, which we already know how to do. Once the second hexagon is joined, we'll be joining a third hexagon to both 2 and 1 at 2 points, the 2 corners where they intersect. All of the rest of the round is just work plain without joining, and you already know how to do that. Let's work these joins together. I've worked one hexagon all the way through, and I've worked 2 hexagons up through round 3, ready to work round 4. So now we can work the second hexagon and join it to the first one. I'm going to begin with a new color on round 4 for my hexagon. So I'm going to use that standing double crochet I mentioned, and I'm just going to start with a slip knot on my hook and do a double crochet in this space. And you pretty much know what this round looks like. You're putting 2 double crochets in each space, separated by a chain 1. You can see here I've worked the final round partway through. I started here, not at a corner, but right in the space right after a corner, and worked around a couple of sides, and I've reached the point where the hexagons are going to join. In this corner space, I've already put my 2 double crochets, so I need to do 1 more chain, because I have a chain 2 corner, and then I'm going to do that flat join. Go in, pull my loop through, and then do 1 more chain, and continue with 2 doubles in the same space. So there's my one connection, point to point. Now I'll go ahead and continue around and complete this round with no more joins to be made. Here I've connected my second motif to my first motif just at the corner, and it's time to do the third one. I'll be joining at 2 corners. I'm going to again start with a standing double crochet in the space right after a corner. Here I am at the corner. I'm going to chain 1, do a flat join right here, chain 1 again, and put 2 double crochets in my corner of my current motif. Then I'm going to work across this edge without any more joins until I get to the next corner. I'll start my corner with 2 double crochets and a chain 1, and now I'm going to join in this corner. So I'll drop my hook, go in, pull the loop through, do another chain, put 2 more double crochets in my corner, and then just continue around this final hexagon without any more joins. I just need to complete the round. And I've completed all 3 of my hexagons joined together. Now you can see I have all 3 hexagons joined just at the corners, and there's a big triangular space here. Now, some shapes, 6-sided shapes or other shapes, may not have flat sides like this hexagon, or the corners may be even pointier, so that the only place to make the join is at the corners. It's really going to depend on your exact shape.